Hey there, it's Perry with PapercraftingThreads. Today I have an unboxing for you, and what a pretty box it is. This is the With Love and Gratitude September 2023 Paper Pumpkin Kit. Our Stampin' Spot this month is Lost Lagoon. And our stamp set has Thanks, With Love and Gratitude, For You, Thank You, and Grateful for You, and a pumpkin, and that looks like this is the stem, and some great foliage. This looks like mossy meadow. Let's see. So we have instructions, and we have 8 bags and 8 little note cards. Very pretty. Okay, so we have some tear and tape, mini dimensionals, and here are the little envelopes. Very cute. Love this pattern that lines the envelope. Perfect for cutting apart and using them for something else. And here are the little note card bases. And this looks like Lost Lagoon. And there is a bit of texture in the design. You can't, there's not, it's flat for feeling it, but there, it looks like it's textured. And here are the boxes. So there's some gold foil, and this one's a little crimped, but that's no problem. We can straighten that out. Nice, they look like the texture on these looks like it's linen. And then our die cuts, so we have assorted pumpkins and their leaves. And there's 2 sheets of those. And nice glue dots, love those things. I almost like those better than the ones on the roll. And then we have gold foil outlined labels. And more die cuts, which is that foliage, match that foliage piece. And we have gold foil die cuts, and there's 2 sheets of those. And then the colors for this month are Copper Clay, Crumb Cake, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Pebbled Path, and Gold. Fabulous color combination. And there are a few photos for some options. And then, of course, be watching for my alternatives later on. Thanks for watching. Bye.